Eat the heat. Delicious and easy summer-infused waters. Tired of plain water? Want a refreshing and healthy way to stay hydrated this summer? Let's dive into the world of infused waters. Infused water is simply water that has been flavored with fruits, vegetables, and herbs. It's a fantastic alternative to sugary drinks and a great way to increase your water intake. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make at home. Infusing water allows the natural flavors and some of the nutrients from the ingredients to seep into the water. This creates a subtly flavored and incredibly refreshing beverage. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during the hot summer months. Infused water makes hydration more exciting and enjoyable. You're more likely to drink enough water when it tastes delicious. Compared to sugary sodas and juices, infused water is a much healthier choice. It's naturally low in calories and sugar and packed with vitamins and antioxidants from the added ingredients. You don't need fancy equipment to make infused water. A pitcher or large jar is perfect. A cutting board and knife are essential for preparing your ingredients. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are key. Choose organic fruits and vegetables whenever possible. Herbs should be fresh and fragrant for the best flavor. Let's explore some delicious and easy infused water recipes to keep you cool all summer long. These combinations are tried and tested for maximum flavor and refreshment. Get ready to experiment. This is a timeless combination for a reason. The cool cucumber and refreshing mint create a spa-like experience in every sip. It's incredibly hydrating and soothing. Simply slice a cucumber and add it to your pitcher with a handful of fresh mint leaves. Let it infuse for at least 2 hours for the best flavor. The sweetness of strawberries combined with the peppery notes of basil is a delightful surprise. This combination is both refreshing and subtly sweet. It's a crowd pleaser. Slice the strawberries and gently bruise the basil leaves to release their aroma. Add them to your pitcher and let the magic happen. This invigorating blend is perfect for boosting your immune system and aiding digestion. The lemon adds a citrusy zing, while the ginger provides a warm and spicy kick. Slice the lemon and ginger thinly. Add them to your pitcher and let the flavors meld. This is a great option for a morning pick-me-up. Watermelon is the quintessential summer fruit, and rosemary adds an unexpected herbal twist. This combination is surprisingly sophisticated and incredibly refreshing. Cube the watermelon and add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary to your pitcher. Let it infuse for a few hours to allow the flavors to fully develop. Combine your favorite berries, like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, with slices of orange and lime. This creates a vibrant and flavorful infusion packed with antioxidants. Simply add the berries and citrus slices to your pitcher and let them infuse. This is a colorful and delicious way to stay hydrated. For the best flavor, allow your infused water to sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even overnight. This allows the flavors to fully infuse into the water. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. The possibilities are endless. Find what you enjoy most. You can refill your pitcher with water several times before the ingredients lose their flavor. Typically, you can refill it 2 to 3 times within 24 hours. Infused water is best stored in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Be sure to remove any ingredients that start to look wilted or discolored. Use a pitcher with a lid to prevent the water from absorbing other odors in the refrigerator. This will help maintain the pure and refreshing flavor of your infused water. Consider adding spices like cinnamon sticks or cloves for a warm and aromatic twist. Edible flowers like pansies or lavender can add a touch of elegance and unique flavor. Experiment with different types of water, such as sparkling water or coconut water, for added fizz or electrolytes. The possibilities are truly endless. Infused water is a simple, delicious, and healthy way to stay hydrated during the summer months. It's a fantastic alternative to sugary drinks and a great way to boost your overall well-being. Ready to ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the refreshing world of infused water? Try these recipes today and discover your new favorite way to stay cool and hydrated. Share your creations with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes.